tells you and shows you everything. So right now I'm looking for a bus with the number 21 on it.
So 14 minutes.
In 14 minutes.
Tell you how long the bus
and
is.
And the timer to tell us how long the bus is and how far away it is. We just got bikes so we can ride.
Hey, Gabby. Gabby.
Currently at London Bridge station. Okay, so I'm top. There's literally pigeons casually walking indoors. Jeez, is it raining? Oh, it's raining. Closed on Mondays. Unfortunately, I have walked my life here for nothing, but we will be back tomorrow, so hopefully the weather is nicer tomorrow, and then when we come it's gonna be that. So what are we gonna do now? Because I'm hungry, so we should just go somewhere to eat, no?
Huh?
We should go somewhere to eat.
Yeah, what's on the here?
Nando's. Nando's? Yeah. Let's go get Nando's, guys. I'll be taking you. We'll just go Nando's. I'm gonna take you guys Nando's with me. I'm pretty sure you guys want to see anything I do here. Literally, it doesn't have to be that exclusive, but I want to take you guys Nando's with me instead. Change of plans. Yeah, let's go to Nando's. Here we are, guys. We're at Nando's right now. Just like a 5-minute walk from where we are currently. Not quite sure what I'm gonna get yet, so I'm gonna decide and I'm gonna get back to you guys. It is, guys, you make the order on your phone there. She's making the order, right? So she's just making the order on her phone, and then it comes to our table within, let's see how long it takes. You done placing the order? So she's gonna place the order on her phone, and then we're gonna get it to our table within a few minutes. Let's see how long it takes. All the way there. It's all there. So what you do, guys, you pick your sauces, grab your ketchup or whatever sauce you want. If it's this one, there's this one, and also you can get your own drink as well. You pick your cutlery, your napkins, take it to your table and wait for your order to come. Having a mango cocktail. Why do you do that?
Just to tell you it's recording.
It's really delicious, guys. The chicken is tender, the bread is crispy, the veg is delicious. That was delicious. Oh my god, you guys. 10 out of 10. I'm not gonna lie, 10 out of 10. Damn. Everything was just right. We just got bikes so we can ride, so we'll be riding. This is mine. We just got it set up. You have to like scan the code and pay for it. I'm gonna ask her how much exactly, how much pounds is that? Okay, so we rent it by the minute. It's electric. So Kara, I hope I can ride this because it's been a while. I'm kind of rusty. Yep, so we're gonna ride some bikes right now. Yeah, let's go, guys. Guys, my heart is racing from there to there, like literally less than a mile. Guys,
Let's go. Say hi, Gabby. Gabby.
oh my god. Sorry. Someone right, that's not very busy.
Come on.
Are you so good at it though?
Whoa. Keep going, keep going. Well, then there's no point.
Tyra, where are we going again? I'm so scared because this country is so big. Wait for me.
My God.
I'm scared. Listen to me. I am not used to riding bikes that are electric. I can ride, but not electric bikes, and I'm not used to London. It's only been my third day? It's my third day here. I'm not used to riding in this country. When I get used to it, then yeah, maybe. Obviously, I'll be more confident. I'll be more fly with it. But as for now, it's scary. And there's so much going on. I'm not used to this shit. Yeah, what did you say? Different buses go different places.
And you have the timer there to tell you how long the bus is.
And the timer to tell us how long the bus is and how far away it is. So yeah, I'm about to get on a bus for the first time. Or there's this app that tells you and shows you everything. So right now I'm looking for a bus with the number 21 on it.
So 14 minutes.
In 14 minutes, waiting for the bus. 21, this is our bus. Now we're waiting for the next bus. We got off the first bus. We're on waiting for number 53 right now, so we can head home. Oh my god, it's so chilly. I think the later it gets, I feel like the later it gets during the evening, the colder it gets, to be honest. It's always cold at night time here, like way colder. So yeah, we're just waiting for the next bus so we can head home. So you guys, I think I'm gonna end this video right here. Yeah. Gonna go ahead and end this video right here.
Thank you. Experience riding bike.
Yeah, I did. To be honest, gonna end this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And come back for the next one tomorrow. Peace out. Say bye. Bye.